hungry?
Yes!
Ah, she's hungry.
I'm hungry. Do you like to eat leaves? Leaves?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, you don't like to eat leaves?
No.
Green leaves?
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yeah, lettuce. I like lettuce.
A bit of a salad. What about a flower? Do you like to eat flowers? No? What eats flowers? Flower nectar? Do you know?
Bee.
A bee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Flitter.
A butterfly.
Butterfly. Yes,
yes,
Caroline,
a
yes. A butterfly likes flowers. And what about the caterpillar? What does the caterpillar like?
Leaves.
Leaves. Yes, excellent. Leaves. Good. So we're going to play a game. You guys can choose whether you're a leaf or a flower.
Okay.
Okay? And then you have to give it to the person that eats it. Well, to the person. To the animal or the insect. Okay? Are we ready? Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Who wants a flower?
I want a flower.
Ah, here you go.
Thank
Ben.
you.
You smell so good. What a change.
Thank you.
Who wants a leaf?
Me. I want to live.
Okay, there you go. And what would you like, Caroline?
A flower. I want a flower.
Flower. Here you go. You smell like a flower. Okay, great. Okay, so what does the caterpillar eat? What does the caterpillar eat?
The
The caterpillar eats
leaves. Good. Okay, give him a leaf. He's very hungry. That hungry caterpillar. Chomp, chomp, chomp. What does the butterfly eat?
The butterfly eats flowers.
Flowers. Good, flowers. Go ahead, Ben. Go ahead. What about you? What insect eats the flower?
The butterfly eats
Eats
flower.
flowers. Great. Go ahead. Feed the butterfly. Good job, guys. Excellent. Fly away.
Fly away.
Fly away.